Welcome to our video tutorial on how to be an effective project leader. In today's fast-paced world, strong leadership in project management is essential for success. Whether you are managing a small team or a global initiative, your leadership can make or break the project. Let's dive into what it takes to lead effectively and make an impact.
Now, let's understand what project leadership is. Project leadership is more than just managing tasks and deadlines, it's about influencing, guiding, and motivating a team to deliver results aligned with strategic goals. While project management focuses on how to execute a project, using tools, processes, and methodologies, project leadership focuses on why and who. It's the human element that brings a project to life. A project leader is someone who sets a clear vision, inspires trust, and makes critical decisions under pressure. They're responsible not just for outcomes, but for the people delivering those outcomes. According to the Project Management Institute, effective leadership contributes significantly to project success, sometimes even more than technical skills. Especially in today's fast-changing environments, leaders must be adaptable, empathetic, and strategic thinkers. Project leadership also involves stakeholder engagement, conflict resolution, and change management. Whether you are launching a new product, developing infrastructure, or organizing a company-wide initiative, the leader is the glue that holds everything together. A good leader doesn't micromanage. Instead, they empower their team, clarify expectations, and remove roadblocks so the team can perform at its best. In essence, project leadership is where strategy meets people and where inspiration meets execution. Without strong leadership, even the best planned projects can fail. But with the right leader, even the most challenging projects can exceed expectations. Now, let's look into key traits of effective project leaders. What separates a project manager from a great project leader? It's not just certifications or technical expertise, it's their mindset, behavior, and ability to inspire others. Let's explore the key traits that define effective project leaders, the human qualities that drive team performance and project success. First, communication. Great leaders are excellent communicators. They listen actively, articulate goals clearly, and ensure everyone, from team members to stakeholders, is aligned. In fact, poor communication is one of the top reasons projects fail, according to the PMI. Next is emotional intelligence. This means being aware of your own emotions and recognizing how they affect others. Leaders who are empathetic and emotionally balanced can resolve conflicts calmly, build trust, and keep morale high even under stress. Another critical trait is adaptability. Projects rarely go exactly as planned. Effective leaders adjust quickly to new information, shifting timelines, and unexpected challenges without losing momentum. They embrace change, not resist it. Then there's accountability. Great leaders own their decisions and outcomes. They model responsibility, hold their team to high standards, and never shift blame. This creates a culture of integrity and reliability. Vision is equally important. Leaders must be able to see the big picture, understanding how individual tasks connect to the organization's overall strategy. They inspire others by keeping the team focused on that greater goal. And finally, decision-making. In times of uncertainty, teams look to their leader for clarity. Effective project leaders assess risks, weigh options, and make timely, well-informed decisions, sometimes with limited information. These traits aren't just nice to have, they're essential. When combined, they create a leadership style that motivates people, drives innovation, and helps teams deliver results with confidence and purpose. The good news? These traits can be learned and developed over time. Through self-awareness, feedback, and practice, anyone can become a more effective leader. Remember, tools and plans are important, but it's leadership that brings a project to life.
Let's take our first real-world example, a tech product launch. Imagine a company preparing to release a new mobile app designed to simplify personal budgeting. The timeline is tight, multiple teams are involved, and market competition is fierce. The project leader's role begins with setting a clear vision, defining not only what the product should do, but the experience it should deliver to customers. This vision is shared across development, design, marketing, and customer support teams, ensuring that everyone works toward the same outcome. Next comes coordination. Developers need regular updates from designers, marketers need product features to create campaigns, and support teams need training before launch. The leader facilitates this flow of information, removing communication barriers and keeping everyone aligned. As the project progresses, challenges emerge, unexpected bugs, a competitor announcing a similar product, or a delay in integrating a key feature. Here, the leader's adaptability and decision-making skills come into play. They may decide to adjust the launch plan, prioritize features, or reallocate resources to ensure deadlines are met without sacrificing quality. The leader also plays a crucial role in motivating the team. Acknowledging late-night problem-solving sessions, celebrating milestones, and reinforcing the shared mission keep morale high under pressure. On launch day, the project leader ensures that technical readiness, marketing efforts, and customer support are synchronized. This seamless coordination is what turns a stressful milestone into a successful market debut. In short, a tech product launch shows how effective leadership blends vision, communication, adaptability, and team motivation into tangible results.
A high-performance team doesn't just happen by chance, it's built with intention, trust, and the right environment. Foundation starts with clear roles and responsibilities. Each team member knows exactly what's expected of them and how their work contributes to the overall goal. This clarity reduces confusion, prevents duplication of effort, and boosts efficiency. Next is psychological safety, the confidence to speak up, share ideas, and admit mistakes without fear of blame. Research from Google's Project Aristotle shows that teams with high psychological safety consistently outperform those without it. A good leader encourages open dialogue and values every voice in the room. Diversity of skills and perspectives is also critical. When a team brings together people with different backgrounds, expertise, and ways of thinking, it sparks creativity and better problem solving. Strong communication keeps everything running smoothly. Regular check-ins, transparent updates, and active listening ensure that the team stays aligned and informed. Recognition is another key ingredient. Celebrating milestones, whether it's a project phase completed ahead of schedule or an innovative solution to a challenge, builds morale and reinforces a sense of achievement. Finally, effective leaders empower their teams. They trust their people to make decisions, encourage autonomy, and remove roadblocks so the team can focus on delivering results. Building a high-performance team takes time, but the payoff is huge: increased productivity, stronger collaboration, and a culture where everyone is motivated to excel.
Let's look at another example: coordinating a non-profit fundraising event. Imagine you're the project leader for a charity gala that aims to raise $50,000 to fund community health programs. Your team includes volunteers, event planners, marketing partners, and local sponsors. Unlike corporate projects, your resources are limited, timelines are short, and most of your team members are contributing their time outside of regular jobs. Your first task is defining a clear vision and purpose, not just host an event, but create an inspiring evening that motivates people to give generously. This vision guides every decision, from venue choice to entertainment and guest experience. Coordination is crucial. Volunteers need schedules, the marketing team needs promotional materials, and sponsors need updates on their contributions' impact. As the leader, you act as the central hub of communication, ensuring that no one is left out of the loop. Challenges will arise, perhaps a key speaker cancels, weather threatens an outdoor setup, or ticket sales slow down. Here, your problem-solving and adaptability are tested. You might arrange a backup speaker, secure an indoor venue, or launch a last-minute social media push. Just as important is keeping the team motivated. Recognizing volunteers' hard work, sharing small wins, and reminding everyone of the cause behind the effort keeps energy high, even when obstacles appear. On event day, your leadership ensures that logistics, guest experience, and fundraising efforts align seamlessly. By combining vision, coordination, and adaptability, you transform a complex volunteer effort into a powerful success story.
Even the most skilled project leader needs the right tools and techniques to guide their team effectively. Today's leaders rely on project management software to keep everything organized. Tools like Trello, Asana, Jira, and Microsoft Teams make it easy to track tasks, assign responsibilities, and monitor progress in real time. They also improve transparency. Everyone knows what needs to be done, by whom, and by when. Beyond software, communication platforms such as Slack or Zoom are essential for quick updates and team collaboration, especially when working with remote or hybrid teams. Many leaders also adopt methodologies like Agile, Scrum, or Kanban to bring structure while maintaining flexibility. Agile encourages iterative progress and frequent feedback, while Scrum uses short sprints to deliver results faster. Kanban focuses on visualizing work to improve flow and efficiency. For planning and decision-making, techniques such as Gantt charts, risk assessments, and stakeholder mapping help leaders anticipate challenges and align priorities. However, tools alone are not enough. A skilled leader knows when and how to use them, adapting processes to fit the team's needs rather than forcing the team to adapt to rigid systems. The best leaders also integrate soft skills into these tools, giving constructive feedback, setting realistic timelines, and ensuring the technology supports collaboration rather than creating extra work. In short, tools and techniques provide the framework, but it's leadership that turns them into a powerful engine for project success.
Now let's explore a high-stakes scenario, a construction project facing unexpected delays. Imagine you're leading the construction of a new community center. The project is on a tight schedule with a fixed opening date. Midway through, severe weather halts work for 2 weeks, throwing the entire timeline off balance. As the project leader, your first step is assessing the impact. You review the project plan, identify critical path tasks affected by the delay, and consult with engineers, contractors, and suppliers to determine what can be adjusted. Clear and transparent communication with stakeholders is crucial at this stage. You explain the situation, outline potential solutions, and set realistic expectations for the revised timeline. This maintains trust, even when the news isn't ideal. Next, you explore mitigation strategies, adding weekend shifts, reallocating resources to unaffected areas of the build, or bringing in additional crews to catch up. These decisions require balancing budget constraints, safety standards, and quality control. Throughout the process, team motivation remains a priority. Delays can frustrate workers, so acknowledging their effort, providing clear daily goals, and celebrating progress keeps morale strong. By adapting quickly, communicating effectively, and making informed decisions, you minimize the delay's impact. The project might open a week later than planned, but with leadership guiding every step, quality is maintained, safety is ensured, and community trust is preserved. This example highlights how an effective leader turns setbacks into opportunities for problem solving, teamwork, and resilience.
Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial empowers you to lead with confidence and clarity. For more resources and references, check the closing credits. On behalf of our entire team, thank you.